Good morning, guys. Excuse my hair, I haven't done it yet. It is January 17th at 12 o'clock and I am currently at my apartment. So I don't think I've shown my apartment in a while, in case you guys are wondering what it's looking like. I recently kind of cleaned, so I have a tapestry up on this wall now. This is my dining area. Kitchen looks the same as it did before. Still the ugliest fluorescent lights out there. This is my living area, so I've got my Urban Outfitters tapestry that they unfortunately don't sell anymore. Couch, chair. I have a tapestry here. I don't remember the last time I showed you guys my apartment, but this is where I took all my 21st birthday photos. They're really right on that wall. And then I have a tapestry up in my room. So it's actually a different fabric. It's kind of just like that thin, almost tablecloth-like fabric, but that's up here. Bed, desk, mirror. This is my outfit. I've got these new leggings from a brand called Coral on. Am I in focus? Literally. Why am I in manual right now? Let me know. There we go. So these are from a brand called Coral. They're like white and gray. I like them a lot. And then this top is from them as well. It's super long, so I just have it like tucked underneath, but it's just like a basic little back. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while or following me in general, you know I've always had pretty clear skin, but my skin, besides this one little blemish here, has been 100% on point, and it's because of the skincare that I've been using. So I got this ages ago and I talked about it in one of my DC vlogs while I was there over the summer. But I've been using these two products and they literally changed my entire life. So the brand is called Charlotte LaCroix, maybe? I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this because it has the O-I-X, but I use this product on my face every single day. I also haven't been wearing face makeup. The only thing that I have on is a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. I've just been using the e.l.f. Maximum Coverage Concealer, and then I'm just wearing mascara, and I did my eyebrows with my eyeshadow. So I've been putting this on my face, and then I've also been using the red tea serum. So absolutely love both of these products. They do have specific lines for specific skin types, but this is for all skin types. And I'm not quite sure if this one is, but I'll link these two products down below. I also have the face wash, which I use every single day to take my makeup off, and then there's also just like a normal moisturizer. My skin is pretty much like normal to oilier, so I don't really have to worry that much about moisturizing, but I do really like both of these serums. So literally all I do is I just take some. They both smell amazing. I take a little bit on my finger and I will just dab it and rub it all over my face. So today is technically day 3 of the Candido program, but I am just going to make it day 2. I did film day 2, but I wasn't going along with the programmed reps for bench or anything just because I literally, guys, I was struggling hardcore. Like, it just felt really heavy. I think I only worked up to 70 for 2 sets of 8, and I was supposed to do, no, 70 for 2 sets of 4, and I was supposed to do 70 for 1 set of 8. So I had to break up that set because I just felt so weak, which is totally normal. I haven't benched in like 2 weeks. So we're gonna try and actually follow the program now, see how that goes, and then do my programmed accessories. I like the way that the accessories are set up because they give you a couple that you can choose from. So I picked like the lat pull down, lateral raises for shoulders, and then a machine row. So I like to use the hammer strength machine because I feel that really well in my middle back. So those are the accessories that I chose, and then you can also add 2 extras if you want. So I'll usually at least add a tricep push down because tricep is another main focus for me, and it's also one of my weaker muscle groups in benching, so it only makes sense to focus on that. But I don't know, I really like the way that Candido is set up. If any of you run it, definitely let me know how it went or how it is going if you're doing it currently, because I am really interested. So I'm about to leave my apartment here in a second. It is now 12:39, just to head back home. I had a little bit of fish, which was leftover from dinner. I am tracking my macros. No, I'm tracking my calories currently because I want to make sure that I'm eating enough. because that's just a problem that I have. I don't think about eating, so if I'm not thinking about it, I'm not gonna do it. I will get hungry, but I won't eat as much as I'm supposed to eat because I fill up pretty quickly. So tracking always helps me kind of battle that. So for breakfast, I had oatmeal, I had some peppermint tea with brown sugar for extra carbs, and then I had 2 eggs and 2 slices of toast with, can't believe it's not butter because I can't have butter because lactose-ish kind of milk is a problem. And then I also had jam on that. So far today I have had 670 calories, so I need 2,010 more. I literally hate Maryland. Oh my god, literally, guys, my hands are frozen solid, and my parka is at home. This semester is gonna be interesting because it's actually been snowing this year. Really not excited, but luckily I'm taking a mass comm minor now. Fun fact, I used to be a mass comm major before I switched to film my freshman year, and I'm basically done with my major. I could have been done with my major like 2 semesters ago, but I wanted to spread it out. So I have 1 more class to take, and I'm taking that not this semester but the next semester because I'm graduating in December, because why not? And so I'm taking 3 mass comm classes, and then I'm taking my last core class, which is an ethics class, which shouldn't be too bad. It's also online, so really shouldn't be that bad. I'm actually so glad it's online because I started taking it last semester in class, and there were all these supplies you needed to buy, and I was like, I'm not buying a bunch of materials for a class that is for a core. This person will not stop calling me. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I have class in the evening, so I have 6:30 to 9:10, I believe, and then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have class from like 2 to 3:15 or something. So I don't have any morning classes, which is nice because hopefully by then I'll have enough time to clear the snow off of my car if it hasn't melted yet. That's where I was going with this entire story that I just went on and on about. So my pre-workout meal is this fake ground beef with garlic aioli, and my FitnessPal says that it is 237 calories, and the macros for that, even though I don't track, are 13 carb, 12 fat, and 24 protein. After I finish this, I'm going to head to the gym. I also brought home some of my supplements because I'm trying to get back to like eating a decent amount of calories, and this stuff helps with that. So brought home my protein powder. I also like the Women's Best protein powder. I did a review on it and I didn't like it initially. I still don't like how grainy it tastes, but other than that, it's really not that bad. I'm so excited to get my hair done. This is such a mess. But this is the Kaio Smooth Protein. Their only flavor is chocolate. It's sold on Amazon. I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested. But there are 20 grams of protein, 11 carbs, and 2 grams of fat in each packet, which is 156 calories. I'm just tracking calories, but I want to make sure I get my protein as well. Brought my creatine home. I have 2 bottles. This is by One Nutrition. So I just mixed that with some water, and then I also brought these BCAAs back because I'm trying to drink more water, and this helps with that. So these are just the BPI Sports Arctic Ice Aminos. It's literally so cold outside, and I'm just not dressed for the weather as per usual. very, very confusing to me. I just had 2 white chocolate cranberry cookies. No idea the nutrition facts because I don't know who made them. I don't know when they were made. And I don't know what brand they were. But they're a lot larger than they're supposed to be. So I had 2 of those. They were phenomenal. My diet is like pretty random. And I don't really care that much about being healthy. I don't eat meat. And the majority of my diet is literally vegetables or some sort of vegetable protein. So my macros are at an all-time high every single day, and I love fruit as well. So I have tons of snacks throughout the day, and I don't feel bad about it. So we're gonna say that both of those cookies were probably, this might be exaggerating a little bit, but I'd say 2 of those were probably about 375 calories, maybe more. I'd rather go under though, so that I can actually hit my calories. So I'm just gonna add that into my MyFitnessPal as something random because I don't really remember how to do that. It is now 6:20 and I'm just reviewing footage from the vlog that you're actually watching right now, and I just posted a video on Instagram, so I've been posting a lot of workout stuff on here. So if you guys want to see stuff in between, that's what I've been doing. So I just posted a clip from today's workout. Very fun, very fun. If you guys don't follow me, then you definitely should. It's just Lawenwoss, just like everything else. Ayo. This is my dinner, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what else to eat. Probably gonna have some vegetables as well. But this is 520 calories if you're confused. Peanut butter has tons of calories. Got 4 pieces of bread here, basically. And then jam has like 50 calories per tablespoon. I am just watching videos on YouTube right now, and I'm about to make some veggies because I'm actually still starving. I'm not gonna hit my calories for the day, but that's okay. I'm slowly getting back up to eating a lot. Basically, for me to gain weight at about like a pound a week, I need like 2,600 a day. So today I'll probably hit like 2,350, 2,400 or so. I'm actually pretty close because of that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I'm gonna have some veggies, and then if I'm still hungry, maybe I'll have some chips or something. I don't force myself to eat. If I'm not hungry, I'm not hungry. So some days I eat more than others. It's not that big of a deal. I just recorded an entire outro and then realized I actually wasn't recording at all. So I am just about to eat my dinner. I did add some avocado because that is a lot of fat and that will bump up my calorie goal for the day, which is nice because I was probably like 200 away from the goal, which isn't bad considering I've been eating like 1,500 calories a day. We've gone up at least like 900, so that's solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'm gonna shower, probably watch an episode of Netflix, watch an episode of something on Netflix, and then do my devotional before bed. Let me know what you guys want to see in these vlogs. If you want to see some during the school year. If you do, let me know like topics to touch on. I like to put something educational in every video that I put out that is fitness related, because just watching people vlog gets really repetitive and boring. So I like to give you something to take away. So if you have any ideas, suggestions, topics you want to hear me touch on, leave those in the comments please, and I will be sure to add them to a little list that I have. If you guys did enjoy this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I did find another class, so there is a period right now between the 17th and the 23rd where you can't sign up for classes. I'm guessing it's because of transfer students, not really positive, but it's just a health 101 class and it's online, so it'd be amazing if I could get that. So fingers crossed, but that's gonna be it for me. Classes start really soon. Going to DC this weekend though. Might film a get ready with me, maybe, but I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much.